Open House Disclosures Made Easy, your guide to signed PDFs. Hi there. Let's talk about a common challenge at open houses, disclosures, and how you can simplify the entire process with our Signed PDFs add-on. If you've hosted an open house, you know how managing disclosure forms can be time-consuming and tedious. And with more states likely to require signed disclosures from every visitor, this process might get even more complicated. But don't worry, at Open House Wizard, we've developed a fast digital solution, Signed PDF Disclosures. It's efficient, paperless, and seamlessly integrates with your open house registration process. How do signed PDF disclosures work? Signed PDF disclosures are a premium add-on for Open House Wizard users. They let you present disclosures digitally to visitors while they register for your open house. Guests can review the forms, sign them, and submit all their details on a single screen. Visitors can access this page on their own devices via a QR code or text code, or on your provided device, like an iPad, at the open house. It's the easiest way to handle disclosures and registration in one go, saving you time and impressing your guests. What makes this digital disclosure process special? Here's the thing. Paper forms take up time, feel outdated, and are cumbersome for you and your visitors. Our Signed PDFs add-on offers a better way. No paper forms to print or store. No extra steps. Registration and disclosures happen together. Fully customizable pages to match your branding, including your logo, colors, and headshot. A seamless visitor experience. Visitors registering for your open house will interact with one of two page options. 1. Smartphone sign-in page. Guests scan a QR code or send a text code to access the registration and disclosure form. They can review your disclosure, fill out their info, and sign directly on their device. 2. Device-hosted registration page. Load this page on a device like an iPad at your open house. This page gives visitors 3 ways to register: text code, QR code, or a standard form in a pop-up. Either way, the disclosure form and signature fields are displayed clearly and conveniently on one screen. Automatic follow-up emails. Once a visitor completes the process, the visitor gets an email with their signed disclosure attached for their records. You, the agent, receive an email with the visitor's details and a copy of the signed disclosure. This ensures you have everything on file while giving your visitors a professional follow-up experience. How to get started. Ready to simplify disclosures and registrations? Here's what to do. 1. Sign up for an account at openhousewiz.com, atp/openhousewiz.com. 2. Order the Signed PDFs add-on from the pricing page. 3. Upload your completed disclosures to our support team. We'll handle the setup, including adding signature fields and integrating the forms into your account. All you need to do is toggle the feature on or off as needed. Flexible for any registration method, whether you're using text registration, QR code registration, or a standard registration form. The Signed PDFs add-on integrates seamlessly. It works the same way across all methods, making it versatile for any open house setup. Why Open House Wizard? At Open House Wizard, we're committed to making your open house processes stress-free. From customizable registration pages to easy digital disclosures, we help you focus on what matters most, your clients. Visit openhousewiz.com to get started with our Signed PDFs add-on today. Thanks for reading, and good luck at your next open house. P.S. Don't miss our other video on the free PDF disclosure feature for even more options.